If you're running into a Stripe update error, it can prevent you from updating payments, subscriptions, or account settings. Yeah, this usually happens because of API issues, outdated software, or missing account info. But don't worry, in this guide, I'll walk you through a step-by-step fix for Stripe update errors. First, read the exact error message. Stripe usually provides a code or description explaining what went wrong. Knowing this helps pinpoint the fix. Next, ensure all required account or customer information is complete and correct. Missing fields, like billing info or payment details, often trigger update errors. If you're using Stripe API, make sure your API version is up to date and the keys are correct. Old versions or incorrect keys can prevent updates from processing. After correcting data and API settings, retry the update. Temporary network or bank issues can sometimes cause one-time failures. If you're updating via the dashboard, clear your browser cache or try a different browser/device. Sometimes browser issues block updates. And if the error still persists, contact Stripe support. They can check account logs and help resolve update errors quickly. And that's it. Following these steps usually fixes Stripe update errors so your transactions and account settings can be updated successfully. If this helped you out, feel free to like the video and check out the channel for more Stripe troubleshooting tips.